All right, so we'll begin again. So I gave example for onto function. So I'm giving more examples. So example 3. So what is that? Let's say f is a function from here now. Now I am taking this is from r plus to r defined as function. This function is, I told you, function means you need to do understand two things: where to where and how it is defined. Image, what is the image of each element? Image of each element I am defining as 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Okay, this is now whether onto or not. Whether it's onto or not is a question. Onto or not is a question. Onto or not is a question now. Whether onto or not. Onto or not is the question now. Okay, just a minute. Just you try. Just I'll be back. Okay, now I'm taking, let y is pre-image of x. Sorry, y is image. I'm sorry, not pre-image here. Y is image. Okay, let y be an image of x. Let y be image of x. So image of x is y. That means f of x equal to y. I told image of x is y, I assumed. So image of x is y, I assumed. So now I am finding its pre-image. Pre-image is x. Now I am finding this x in terms of y. What is image of x? 2x minus 3 equal to y. Then 2x equal to y plus 3. X equal to y plus 3 by 2. Now what is y here? Y is any real number. Understand? Y is any real number. Y is any real number. Then y plus 3, y plus 3 is any real number, not, but here positive real number I should get. So that means now its pre-image is what? Its pre-image is y plus 3 by 2. Very simple. Its pre-image is y plus 3 by 2. Very simple. Its pre-image is y plus 3 by 2. Now, what does it mean? That means if I take y value here, I am taking y value. I want to take y value. I will take minus 5. I am taking y equal to minus 5. I am taking y equal to, if I take minus 5, its pre-image is what? Y pre-image. Y is a pre-image. Now pre-image. What is its pre-image? See here, minus 5 plus 3 by 2, which is minus 1. So that means here y's pre-image is what? Minus 1. If I take y value is minus 5. Minus 5 pre-image is what? Is minus 1. Hope you understand this one. Minus 1 will be here. That means very simple here. Minus 1 pre-image is minus 1's image is minus 5. If you want, you can put here 1. If I put here, what will happen? Minus 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 5. So f of minus 1 is minus 5. That means image of minus 1 is minus 5 and a pre-image of minus 5 is minus 1. But it's a minus 5 pre-image doesn't exist. Why? Minus 1 will not be there in R place. That's what you need to check. I told you that every element has pre-image or not, you have to check. So here I am telling what is the codomain equal range or not. I'm telling you, I'm asking you to find codomain equal range or not. Here what is codomain? Codomain is all real numbers. Now range I am finding. What is the range? X belongs to R plus. You understand? X you have to take from R plus. Then 2x also belongs to R plus. Okay. Then 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is you cannot say 2x minus 3. That means x belongs to R plus means what? X belongs to x is greater than what? 0. X is positive. Understand? X is positive. Hope you understand. X is now 2x is also greater than 0 only. then 2x minus 3 is greater than minus 3. Its range is what? Range means minus 3 to infinity. Its range is minus 3 to infinity. But here what? All real numbers. All real numbers. All real numbers minus infinity to. Codomain is all real numbers. Range is what? Minus 3. This is minus 3. Minus 3 to infinity. This much only. Codomain is minus 3 to infinity. But range is what? Codomain is all real numbers. But range is only minus 3 to infinity. You get. So therefore, finally it's not onto. Not onto. That is the thing here. I gave you very simple explanation for this. What is the simple explanation? If I take here this f is a function from r plus to r, defined as f of x equal to x minus 3. So very simple. If you take x equal to f of minus 1, if you take, then minus 5 you get. Here minus 5 is here. So minus 1 is not here. That means minus 5 pre-image minus 1, that is not there in r plus. This is not possible. No, minus 5 pre-image is not there. So every element in codomain should have pre-image, but minus 5 doesn't have pre-image. Like that you can find many. Here what will be there? 1 will be there. But here minus 5 pre-image is not there. Like that you can find out many. So what is that? F of minus 2 you keep. Minus 2 is what? Minus 7. Minus 7 pre-image is what? Minus 7 is there here. But minus 7 pre-image is not here. Minus 7 pre-image is minus 2. That is not there here. So therefore it is not onto. That's how you have to find. I'll give you one more example. Then you can ask your doubts. F maps. Here simply I'll keep some rational numbers. Some rational numbers to real numbers. Defined as f of x equal to some x square. I'm defining as f of x equal to x square. Whether it is now, whether it is onto function or not is the question. Onto function or not. So very simple. Yeah, you can take R to R also, no problem here. R to R also you can take, no problem. R to R also you can take. Whether it is onto function or not is a question now. So here, if you see what is codomain and what is codomain is what? Simple. Codomain is all real numbers. What is range? Range is only, see, all the images are squares only. 1 ka image, 1 square, 2 ka image, 2 square, 3's image, 3 square, 4th image, 4 square, minus 1 image, image of minus 1, 1, image of minus 2, 4. That means all the images are positive. So range is set of images. Images are what? Images of only R plus. Images are only R plus, positive. So therefore, codomain is not equal to range. What does it mean? If at all you want simple explanation for this, here, if I take minus 1, its pre-image doesn't exist. Its pre-image doesn't exist because minus 1 is what? So here what you have to square so that you get minus 1. X, here this is x square. X square value I need minus 1. X square value I need to get minus 1. That is not possible. Therefore, it's not onto. Not onto. Why? You understand here? Images are what? All squares. But here, minus 1 is here. Its pre-image doesn't exist. So like this. Minus 1 ka pre-image. 1 ka pre-image, 1 only. 4 pre-image, 2. Like that. Here, root 2 pre-image is 2. Root 2. Here, this is 2. 2 pre-image is root 2. 2 pre-image is root 2 because root 2 square is 2. So x square pre-image is x. Minus 1 pre-image is root minus 1. Minus 1 pre-image is root minus 1. That will not be there here. Therefore, it's not onto. Hope you understand. So I'm giving another example. That is, let f is a function from R to R. So now I am giving here defined as f of x equal to, for example, here I am giving some 2x plus 7, let us say. So this is onto function. This is onto function. Why it's onto function? Simply you find its pre-image. What is pre-image? Let's say y is image of x. Y is image of x. That means y equal to 2x plus 7. So x becomes what then? Y minus 7 by 2. So y, where you have to take? Y you have to take from here. Y if you take, its pre-image is there in domain. What is that? Y minus 7. Y minus 7 by 2. That will be there. Y minus 7 by 2 will be there here. Why? Y is a real number. Y minus 7 by 2 also real number. Therefore, there is no problem here. So that means what? F maps R to R defined as linear functions. Whatever linear function you take, also this becomes onto function. There is no problem. Because y is a real number, y minus 7 by 2 is also real number. So that means here, very simple. Very simple. For example, if you take y value if you take, now F maps. Now here, let's take, okay, R plus to R plus defined as f of x equal to some. Okay, if I take here 2x minus, okay, 2x plus 4, let's say 2x plus 4, I am taking 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. Whether it is 1 function, yes, 1 function. Onto function or
Onto
not?
function. Yes,
Onto
sir.
function, no, onto, it's not.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, not onto function, because for some element, yeah,
Y minus 4 by 2.
yes, y minus 4 by 2. That's correct. X value y minus 4 by 2. That means if I take y is here, its pre-image is y minus 4 by 2. So y value if I take 2 also, y value 2 will be there in this. Y value 2 if you take, its pre-image is minus 1. It will not be there here. That's true. You have to find like that and check. But if I take f of x equal to, if I take x square, if I take f of x, r plus to r plus, take as f of x equal to x square, what will happen now? R plus to r plus, I am taking as f of x equal to x square. So now here, if y is taken here, root y will be here, yes or no? Plus or minus root y will be here. So I think here, you will get, I think, this is onto, I think. What do you say? I think it's onto. Because there is no negative number, na? Previously problem has come because here some negative numbers are there. If some negative number is there, its pre-image is root of minus 1 doesn't exist. But here all whatever element you take, its pre-image exists. Root of something exists. 2 you take, root 2 exists. 3 you take, root 4. So 5 you take, root 5 exists, like that. Exists, everything exists. So therefore it is onto. R plus to R plus defined as f of x equal to x square is onto.
If R plus maps to R, so then
If at all, f is a function from a to b. F is a function from a to b is both 1 1 and onto. Okay, then it is called 1 1 onto function. You can call a. Then it's called 1 1 onto function. 1 1 and onto function. Okay, 1 1 and onto function you can call, or you can call bijection. Bijection, you can call bijection. 1 1 onto function or bijection. Okay, so now 1 1 function is 1 1 function. You can, another name is, I told you already, injection or injective function, or injection is same. So onto function, hey, మీ బుక్ తీసుకోవాలి, తీసుకో, ఇట్లా ఇగో ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసుకుంటా.
Injection or injective?
Injective function. So this is onto function means what, you know? Surjection. Surjective function or surjection onto. So now if 1 1 and onto both happens, please mute your audio. Mute your audio, Srinivas. Yeah. So 1 1 injection onto surjection. If both 1 1 and onto, it's called bijection. Bi means two. Bi means, you know, no, by two. Jection means two functions. If a function is both 1 1 and onto, then it is bijection. So what does it mean? Bijection means, I already told, for 1 1, n of a should be less than or equal to n of b. So for onto, this is for 1 1 function. For onto function, what is the condition? N of a should be should be greater than or equal to n of b. So if these two together is n of a equal to n of b. 1 2 3 means here a b c must be there. If one element is less, then it cannot be. 3 different elements should have different images. So therefore it's 1 1. Onto means what? ABC should have pre-image. So this is both 1 1 and onto function. Both 1 1 and onto. So it's called bijection. Okay. So now homework is here. Now homework is there now.